Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we start talking about step 23 of steps and ideas to start your business. So step 23 is about determine which permits, licenses, or registrations you will need to your business. So you need to find out what kind of permits, licenses, and registrations you're going to need to start your business. Depending on the nature of the business, you may need the following permits, license, and registrations. Permits need for registered regulated businesses, aviation, agriculture, alcohol, and etc. Sales tax license or permit. Home-based business permits, city and county business permits or licenses, zoning permit, seller's permit, health department permits such as for a restaurant. Federal and state tax employer IDs. So the following permits and registrations relate to USA. So if you're living in other countries, you can look for your country's permits, registrations that you need to start your business. Step 24. Set up appropriate books and records for your business. You will need to keep multiple books and records for your business, including financial statements, P&L, balance sheet, cash flow, employee records, board and stockholder minutes and consents, stock and options ledger, tax filings and records, federal, state, and local income, sales and property taxes, Secretary of State's filings, certificate of incorporation, annual filings, and etc., invoices and contracts, bank accounts, creditor records. Step 25. Properly insure your startup. If you're going to go through the time and effort to start a business, you need to protect it by purchasing appropriate insurance coverage. Your first order of business should be to determine your specific insurance needs based on the nature of your business. Ask yourself what risks must be covered and how much coverage will be sufficient. Then find and evaluate insurance providers or insurance brokers to determine which companies handle the types of coverage that suits your needs. While shopping for insurance, you will want answers to these types of key questions. What are the deductibles? Are the coverage limits high enough? What items or occurrences are excluded from coverage? Are there any gaps in the coverage? Here is a list of the types of insurance that may be appropriate for your business. General liability insurance. Product liability insurance. Professional liability insurance. Property insurance, workers' compensation insurance, D&O, directors and officers insurance, health insurance for employees, business interruption insurance, commercial auto insurance, data breach, cybersecurity insurance, Keyman life insurance. Step 26. Determine how to divide equity among the startup's co-founders. There is no one right answer to the question of how equity should be divided among a company's co-founders, but everyone involved should discuss this issue and come to an agreement upfront to avoid misunderstandings later on. If you're the original founder and brains behind the idea, a good argument can be made for more than 50 ownerships. The split should take into account the following. The relative value of the contributions of the co-founders, vesting dependent upon continued participation in the business. You don't want to give away 25% of the company to someone who leaves after a few months. The amount of time to be committed to the business. The cash compensation to be paid as an employee. Whether the co-founders will be contributing cash as an investment in the business. Whether one person wants to maintain control over decision making. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for our next videos.